Okay, welcome back to this next part of these video tutorials. We're going to bring in the shoe. I'm going to go to File, Import, and Merge, and I'm going to find my file, which is somewhere around here. Shoe. There we go. I'm going to click All, OK, and it comes in, and it's absolutely huge. That's fine. I'm just gonna reduce the size. Turn this 90 degrees, making sure that my angle snap tool is on. Go to the left and bring that in. See, I could even stick with something like this. It would make my character look, different. Tiny legs, huge feet. I'll actually leave it like this, just for the sake of it. Great. Maybe just a little bit tinier. It's gonna overdo it. Actually, not. If we're gonna overdo it, let's just overdo it. I'll put that there. Okay. We're not modeling the feet itself because we're not gonna see that, and it doesn't really matter. And in this case, what I want to do is to go ahead and delete these top polygons because we need like more of a hole there. But I'm also gonna select this border, shift and drag that down, or scale it in, and then shift and drag it down, and then shift and drag this again. They're gonna close it off. But at the same time, what I may want to do is to go in and select these top vertices and kind of scale this down a tiny bit so that it kind of fits the size of the leg a little bit better. Bring that there. That's fine. What I may also want to do is, in my model, I may want to go in and select the these polygons and just extrude them a little bit, and these will form the socks for the characters. I want to extrude this, but it's very important to make sure that when we extrude it, we go to the settings of extrude and then say by local normal, and that's a huge value. So I just want to have a tiny bit just like that, and of course I want to make sure that that doesn't go through the shoe. Just pushing these, making sure that I don't have any vertices selected by mistake behind. Okay. Okay. They don't need to be attached like the hands. It's fine. What I mean is they don't need to be bridged and become one continuous mesh. As you can see, the socks don't really show much. So what I could do in this case is these polygons that I have, I could extrude them again, but this time at 0. So it's basically a series of polygons on top of the previous ones that we had, and that way the socks will kind of show themselves much better. Okay, so now I'm going to just go to the main character and say attach the shoes, and there we go. Our character has huge shoes. What I may actually do is give this more of a curve. So if I go to edit or poly and just go in and curve this that way a little bit, I think it might just look a little bit better. Okay, great. So we brought the shoes in. We've done that. And I think this is it as far as modeling the body of the character goes. I'm going to stop the tutorial here, and then we're going to start unwrapping the characters hopefully, and then putting textures on top. See you soon.